Hello people and welcome back to another video on my YouTube channel. So a lot of you had doubts regarding कि हमें मणिपाल का सीट एज अ बैकअप होल्ड करना चाहिए या नहीं, विच इज़ अ बेटर ऑप्शन एज कम्पेयर टू मणिपाल का सीएसई या फिर बिट्स में कोई लोअर ब्रांच. तो हम इस वीडियो में इस बारे में पूरा डिस्कस करने वाले हैं. मणिपाल की रिफंड पॉलिसी, मणिपाल में तुम्हें क्या क्या चांसेस मिल सकते हैं, कैसे अपग्रेडेशन वर्क करता है, कैसे राउंड वाइज सिस्टम वर्क करता है. सो ये वीडियो मोस्टली मणिपाल के ऊपर होने वाली है एंड वीडियो के एंड में वी वुड बी डिस्कसिंग विच वुड बी अ बेटर चॉइस, इधर मणिपाल सीएसई और बिट्स लोअर ब्रांच. दोनों के प्रॉस एंड कॉन्स भी डिस्कस करने वाले हैं. सो स्टे ट्यून्ड इन द वीडियो टिल द एंड एंड दिस वीडियो इज गोइंग टू बी very important for all the people who are going to Manipal this year. And also before starting, I want to tell you कि if you want any guidance related to Manipal counseling, related to BITSAT counseling or any private college preference form filling or iteration wise counseling, so I do take counseling calls on a platform called Topmate, where I conduct calls at a very reasonable price that are all below 500, because I know you all are students and I just charge that fees so that we get genuine students and genuine people out there who are calling us and trying to take guidance. So you can book a one-on-one call with me whenever you feel that you need any kind of specific guidance regarding your preference form, or if you are feeling very stuck that we are not able to get this particular college, so we could decide a strategic roadmap for you. Let's start with the video. Basically, Manipal ka counseling works like for 4 campuses. First is the Manipal University, that is the main campus in Manipal, Udupi. Then the Manipal Bangalore campus, the Manipal Jaipur campus, and the Sikkim campus. So merit is based upon your MET rank, which is computed using a 50-50 weightage between your MET exam score, that is out of 250, and your class 12 PCM marks. So if you appeared both in MET phase 1 and phase 2, your better score is automatically used, and seat allotment जो होती है वो that happens in multiple iterations just like BITS, and followed by a spot round and an intra sliding round, जिसके बारे में हम आगे डिस्कस करने वाले हैं, to mop up any seats vacant in any kind of branch. Allotment every round में depends on 3 things together: your rank, your order of log preferences, and how many seats are actually left in the branch and campus. Also, this year, there was an addition that 20% of the seats were offered through the JEE mains criteria, where the cutoff for this CSE branch, which I know, is around 96.5 percentile to 97 percentile. So that's also quite competitive, but in this video, we would be limiting ourselves to MET, that is the Manipal entrance test ke through admission. So let's see the step-by-step process. So you registered for the Manipal counseling. Abhi tak most logo ka round 1, round 2 is over. You must have deposited rupees 10,000 fees as the counseling registration, as well as it is considered as your waitlist deposit. You filled your branch, you filled your campus preferences, and you did the choice locking window as well. Now you must have got allotted a seat. अगर तुम्हें seat नहीं मिली है, so you must be in the wait list. So those 10,000 rupees which you had submitted in the starting would be considered for your waitlist fee as well. ठीक है. If you are allotted, you have to pay the first installment of whatever program you are allotted, and remember this, that as soon as you pay the fees for the program you have allotted, you would be automatically considered for upgradation for the upper branches which are available in your preference list. अगर तुम्हें तुम्हारी preference list में अभी भी तुम्हें सिर्फ अगर second most तुम्हारी preference allot हुई है, अगर तुम्हारी first preference पे अभी भी कोई और branch है, जैसे अभी किसी को electrical allot हुई है but इसको CSE चाहिए, so you would be automatically considered for that upgradation because it was your first choice in your preference list. इसलिए हम कहते हैं कि preference list को बहुत अच्छे से बनाना चाहिए. Keep only those branches at the top which you genuinely want with yourself. If you are not satisfied with your current allotment, you can withdraw out of this round and fill in a fresh registration. हम withdraw नहीं recommend करते हैं. अगर तुम्हें chemical भी allot हुई है, अगर देखो तुम्हारी branch पे होगी, अगर तुम्हारी कट ऑफ में exist होगी वो, तो तुम्हें allot तो हो जाएगी. बट अगर तुम withdraw करते हो, so what will happen is you will lose a seat and फिर तुम fresh registration कराओगे, दोबारा से 10,000 रुपए भरोगे. So उसमें generally क्या होता है कि अब मोस्ट सीट्स फिलअप हो चुकी होती है, तो अब जो तुम्हें वो एक सीट भी अलॉट हुई थी वो भी नहीं अलॉट होगी. तो ऐसी कोई बेवकूफ़ी मत करना कि तुम विड्रॉ कर लो सीट को पहले ही एंड उसके बाद तुम्हारे पास कोई बैकअप ऑप्शन भी ना बचे. ठीक है. राउंड बाय राउंड टाइमलाइन ऐसा है कुछ. 28 मार्च को तुम्हारा फर्स्ट राउंड की एप्लीकेशन क्लोज हुई थी. सेकंड फेज की एप्लीकेशन 20 अप्रैल को क्लोज हुई थी. देन राउंड 1 की सीट अलॉटमेंट अर्ली टू मिड जून 15 जून तक हो गई थी. राउंड 2 की चॉइस फिलिंग 17-18 जून तक थी. राउंड 2 की सीट अलॉटमेंट हो चुकी है 20 जून को. राउंड 2 की फर्स्ट इंस्टॉलमेंट भी तुम लोग अभी तक भर चुके होगे. 20 to 25 जून वॉज द डेडलाइन. टुडे इज द लास्ट डे. उसके बाद राउंड 2 की सेकंड इंस्टॉलमेंट डेडलाइन वॉज बाय 30th जून. राउंड 3 का रजिस्ट्रेशन विंडो अभी खुलेगा 27 to 28 जून में, एंड दिस वुड बी मोस्ट प्रोबेबली द लास्ट राउंड. इसके बाद स्पॉट राउंड होता है, एंड स्पॉट राउंड की डेट अलग से उनके पोर्टल पे ही अनाउंस होती है. लेट्स टॉक अबाउट द बिगेस्ट थिंग, दैट फीस. व्हाट ऑल काइंड्स ऑफ फीस यू विल हैव टू एनकाउंटर, ताकि तुम अपने लिक्विड फंड्स अभी से ही रेडी रखो, ताकि एंड में तुम्हारे पेरेंट्स को ना प्रॉब्लम हो. सो यू नो एग्जैक्टली हाउ मच यू हैव टू पे. सो सबसे पहले तो यू हैव द एमईटी एग्जाम एप्लीकेशन फी, वो तुम ऑलरेडी पे कर चुके हो, 10,000 रुपीज तुमने काउंसलिंग फी में भर दिए होंगे, ठीक है। फर्स्ट इंस्टॉलमेंट की प्रोग्राम फी दैट इज जनरली 2,90,000 रुपीज, वो तुम्हें अभी भरनी होगी फर्स्ट इंस्टॉलमेंट। उसके बाद एक सेकंड इंस्टॉलमेंट आएगी दैट वुड बी अराउंड 3 लाख समथिंग, जिससे कि तुम्हारा टोटल फीस जनरली जो बीटेक ब्रांचेस का है दैट इज अराउंड 6 लाख फॉर फर्स्ट सेमेस्टर, तुम्हारा उतना टोटल फीस बनेगा, ठीक है। एंड उसके बाद व्हेन ऑल दीज फॉर्मेलिटीज आर डन देन यू वुड बी गिवन अ कंप्लीट टाइमलाइन व्हेन यू हैव टू पे द हॉस्टल फीस, व्हेन यू हैव टू पे द ट्यूशन फीस एंड एग्जैक्टली कुछ और भी चार्जेस वो लेते हैं, देयर इज अ काइंड ऑफ सिक्योरिटी डिपॉजिट व्हिच दे टेक so every time. So उसके बारे में you will get the details in your offer letter itself from the official MIT Manipal website. So whatever kind of communication is getting to you, it should be very clear that it should be from the official MIT website, not from any other resource. जैसे मैं अभी वीडियो बना रहा हूँ, so this is just for your information, this is not the official Manipal का document. Whatever documents you are taking to the campus while reporting to the campus, whatever fees you are paying, how much fees you are paying, on what portal you are paying, everything should be from the MAHE portal itself and no other place, because there are a lot of frauds going on where people try to construct fake websites during this time so that students are tricked in and paying at the wrong places, and the amounts are very very big, like 3 lakh 4 lakh rupees, so you lose a lot of money at these places. So fill your fees very very clearly and properly. Okay, now talking about the most hyped thing that has been there on the internet, I feel this year MAHE has reformed its refund policy for 2026. So earlier what used to happen is that even you could have withdrawn after reporting to the campus, like when you attend the orientation session of Manipal, after that also if you don't find that I have got a seat in a better college, like if you get allotted in BITS in the later iterations, or if you get allotted into some kind of NIT during CSAB, so you had the option to give away the Manipal seat without losing, like you lose some 10-20,000 there, and then you get allotted your new seat which you got in the other college. But this time they have brought a major change with the AICTE approval that they would be doing no refund after 20th of July. Now this poses a very big thing, because earlier what used to happen is most of the students used to keep Manipal as a backup option for themselves, but this year this would not be the choice. अगर तुम्हें BITS के later iterations में you get a branch like chemical civil and you think that you want to take that branch, but that allotment is after 20th of July, so you would be losing complete 6 lakh rupees which you had paid as a fees to Manipal after 20th of July, and that's very clearly stated in their refund policy. You wouldn't even get a single rupee back. I think this they have done because last year they got a lot of seats vacant by the end of the rounds, so उनको spot round 2-3 conduct कराने पड़े थे to fill up their seats, because in the end every college wants that they maximize the number of students they have, and at least what seats they have they should be completely filled. There shouldn't be any vacant seats. That's why पिछली बारी BITS के भी बहुत सारे लोगों ने withdraw किया था end में, they went to IITs, तो इसलिए BITS conducted iterations till 7 and 8. But this year as everything is getting preponed, so every college is mandating its refund policy and reforming it. So here is the exact refund policy that on or before 20th of July you will get a full reduction, full refund. There would be nil deduction, means exact all the money, 6 lakh rupees, whatever it is, you would be completely getting back in your account after 30 days of processing. That is 30 business days they take. After 20th of July, before reporting to the campus or joining classes, 100% forfeited, 20,000 deducted, and the balance is refunded. After 20th of July, after reporting and attending classes, everything will be taken. This balance refunded is the hostel fees you must have paid. The tuition fees will be completely gone. That would be rupees 6 lakh. And apart from that, whatever you pay for your hostel, from that you will get balance refunded after 20th of July, but you didn't start the classes. But after attending classes, in staying in the hostel, whatever pro rata fees would be there, they would be deducting that from your hostel fees as well. So tuition fees will also be gone, and on pro rata basis, what would be the hostel fees, even that would be gone. So this was a basic refund policy that you have to think. Now talking about the spot round, जहाँ पे a lot of people think that we would be getting CSE का seat or any other seat. So see, spot round में generally वो वाली सीट्स बच जाती हैं जो लोअर ब्रांचेस की होती हैं, जहाँ पे उनके फिलअप नहीं होती है. सो तुम्हें इसके लिए अलग से रजिस्टर कराना पड़ेगा. यू हैव टू fill in your choices very properly in the spot round, क्योंकि spot round में chances होते हैं कि if you are participating, so you are very very interested in joining the college, otherwise don't fill the spot round. Like spot round is the time when अगर तुम्हें सीट मिली so you have to accept it, otherwise you can't, you have no other option you can do, you have to accept the seat only. Common mistakes that you should avoid is first paying the first installment fees but missing the second installment deadline. ऐसा मत करना कि सिर्फ फर्स्ट इंस्टॉलमेंट की फी भर दी एंड सेकंड इंस्टॉलमेंट की डेडलाइन ही नहीं देखी. डिसाइडिंग टू विड्रॉ एंड देन सिटिंग ऑन द डिसीजन पास्ट 20th of July. तो अगर तुम्हें विड्रॉ करना है तो 20th July से पहले ही कर लेना, नहीं तो बहुत फाइनेंशियल लॉस होगा. 6 लाख इज अ वेरी बिग अमाउंट, इट्स लाइक 1 सेमेस्टर का फीस एंड इसमें काफी कॉलेजेस में पूरा बीटेक भी हो जाता है. सो ध्यान से करना जो भी करना है. ट्राइंग टू सेंड अ विड्रॉल रिक्वेस्ट बाय ईमेल और व्हाट्सएप, प्लीज डू एवरीथिंग फ्रॉम द ऑफिशियल पोर्टल. डोंट थिंक कि तुम्हारी ईमेल्स बाद में पढ़े जाएंगे, तुम्हारे व्हाट्सएप्स बाद में पढ़े जाएंगे. दे डोंट कंसिडर एनीथिंग ऑफ दैट. व्हाटएवर वुड बी कम्युनिकेटेड वुड बी थ्रू द ऑफिशियल माही वेबसाइट. ठीक है. स्किपिंग कैंपस रिपोर्टिंग, डोंट स्किप कैंपस रिपोर्टिंग. बहुत बच्चों को लगता है कि बस हमें सीट अलॉट हो गई तो हम कैंपस जाने की कोई जरूरत नहीं है, बट दिस इज नॉट हाउ इट वर्क्स. Even if you are staying in some different city, you have to book your flight tickets, you have to go to the main campus or Bangalore campus or Jaipur campus, wherever you are allotted a seat, and you have to report physically on the campus with all your documents. The documents generally include 10th, 12th, migration certificate, transfer certificate, a medical certificate from a verified MBBS doctor who is in practice from past 2 years. Then also you need to get your Aadhaar, your PAN card, your passport, your identity proofs, your government ID proofs, both of the ward as well as the parent. So try to carry all these documents and in original as well as some photocopies, 2 photocopies of each document. That would be enough and sufficient. And most important thing, do not forget to carry 15 to 16 passport size photographed photos which exact you use in your Manipal admit card, because you would be requiring there in a lot of forms and documents that have to be filled on campus itself, so where you have to attach your photo. So carry 15-16 passport size photos with you, and that would be more than enough. So a final note from my side would be that the refund math here has genuinely changed, so you have to make your decision before 20th of July, because you can't keep Manipal as a backup option now. You have to decide before 20th whether you would be joining Manipal or you would be taking admission in some other college. So this was all for this video. I hope you liked the video a lot, and to all the people joining Manipal this year, congratulations. And now your JEE journey is finally over, and now enjoy your college life, do good in college, and blessings from my side. Till then, bye bye.